In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a detailed comparison between Luminar Neo and also Adobe Lightroom so that you can have a clear picture and be well informed of which of these photo editing tool you can utilize. So currently, Luminar Neo are offering a 70% discount for a lifetime access, and I will leave the discount code in the description so that you can access it. So without further ado, let's get into the comparison, and I hope you will have the necessary information to decide on which of these photo editing tool aligns with your needs. So first we'll be comparing the pricing of both of these softwares. Then we'll go into the features and what you should consider when it comes to choosing either of these photo editing softwares. So first we'll go with pricing of these two softwares, and we'll start with Luminar Neo. They offer two plans, that is the 12-month subscription and the lifetime license access. So for the 12-month subscription, they are currently offering at a discount of $49, down from $197 per year. And for the lifetime access, it's $79 currently, a 75% discount from $247, which is a one-time payment. So what will you get in the 12-month subscription? You will get Luminar Neo Photo Editor, 100 creative add-ons, video course and quick start guide. Same case with the lifetime access. Let's now go into Adobe Lightroom. And in January 2025, they increased the prices of their plans. So for the Lightroom plan, you're gonna be having a 1 terabyte storage, and they are charging $11.99 per month, which is around $143 yearly. And with this, you will have access to Lightroom and 1 terabyte cloud storage. And we also have the photography plan, that is 1 terabyte too. It's going for $19.99 per month, and if you buy it annually, it is $239. And with this, you'll have access to Lightroom, Photoshop, Lightroom Classic, and 1 terabyte cloud storage. So there's no much difference between the Lightroom plan and photography plan. It's only that they have added Photoshop and Lightroom Classic. Now let's go into the Adobe Creative Cloud, where you'll have access to all applications, and per month you'll be paying $59.99 per month, and if you buy it yearly, it's $719.88 yearly. And what you'll get is 20 plus creative apps, including Lightroom and Photoshop, and you will have access to 100 GB cloud storage. As you can see, there's no much difference between these two. It's only that Luminar Neo offer a more affordable plan with a 75% discount, which you can check out through the link in the description. Let's now consider the long-term cost analysis so that you can have a clear picture. So when comparing the long-term cost, Luminar Neo's one-time payment option provides a significant saving for photographers who plan to use the softwares for multiple years. For example, Luminar Neo lifetime access is $79 one-time payment, but for Adobe photography plan, you're gonna pay $143 per year and $431.64 for over 3 years. So you can see you're gonna save much on choosing Luminar Neo. And Adobe recently made pricing changes in 2025. They increased the cost of their Luminar Neo plan with the 20 GB photography plan being removed from the new customers, and pricing increasing for the 1 terabyte plan from $9.99 to $8.9 per month. So you can see their pricing is increasing. Let's now consider the features, because this will really help you in deciding which of these software is best for you. So in terms of AI capabilities, I think Luminar Neo beats Adobe Lightroom because they offer extensive AI tools including Enhancer AI, Gen Erase, Sky AI, Gen Swap, Super Sharp, and Adobe Lightroom only offers AI-powered presets and masking tool. Let's now go into portrait editing. For Luminar Neo, they offer specialized AI portrait tools, portrait Poker AI, Relight AI, and Face AI. But for Adobe Lightroom, they offer basic portrait editing with presets. So they have not incorporated artificial intelligence as Luminar Neo has done it. Landscape editing. So with Luminar Neo, they have dedicated landscape tools such as Sunrise AI, Sky AI, and Golden Hours. But for Adobe Lightroom, they have standard landscape adjustment tools. So let's consider now the organization. So with Luminar Neo, they have basic catalog functionality, so even beginners in photo editing can use it. But for Adobe Lightroom, they offer a comprehensive library management, so it is more technical compared to Luminar Neo. In terms of cloud integration, Luminar Neo has limited cloud features, while the Adobe Lightroom has full cross-device syncing with cloud storage. And that's where Adobe Lightroom beats Luminar Neo in terms of storage. Let's consider platform support. So Luminar Neo, you can use it on Windows, Mac OS desktop app, plugin for other editors, and Adobe Lightroom also you can use it on desktop, mobile, web version with seamless syncing. Now let's consider learning resources. Luminar Neo offer video courses and also quick start guide, which is included in the purchase. And also Adobe Lightroom offer extensive tutorial, Lightroom Academy, and also community resources. So both of these tools offer guidance. Now let's consider raw processing. So with Luminar Neo, you have advanced raw editing support, and with Adobe Lightroom, you have industry standard raw processing. So there is more technicality there. Now let's go into layers and masking. So with Luminar Neo, you have full layer support with masking, and with Adobe Lightroom, you have advanced masking but limited layers of functionality. So with Luminar Neo, you have full access to that. Let's consider plugin ecosystem. So Luminar Neo has a growing marketplace for add-ons, and Adobe Lightroom has also extensive plugin ecosystem. So both of them have a good ecosystem when it comes to plugin and add-ons. Let's now have a look at patch processing. For Luminar Neo, it has a built-in patch processing, and also Adobe Lightroom has a comprehensive patch editing capabilities. Let's now consider the unique strengths of both of these photo editing tools. So for Luminar Neo, these are the standout features like Gen Erase AI for object removal in your images, the unwanted objects, Sky AI for automatic sky replacement, and also Portrait Poker AI for background effect, focus stacking, and HDR match capabilities, and also a one-time purchase option, which is not in the Lightroom. Now let's consider Adobe Lightroom. Some of the key features include seamless cross-device editing workflow, which is really standing out, and also we have 1 terabyte cloud storage for photo access anywhere. That's good. And also extensive mobile app functionality. I started using Adobe Lightroom mobile app before I came across Luminar Neo, and also they have integration with Adobe portfolio and community features, including sharing capabilities. So what should you consider while choosing these photo editing tools? Now, workflow preference. Luminar Neo excel at providing quick AI-powered transformation that can dramatically alter images with minimal effort. So its interface is designed to be convenient for people with different proficiency levels, with intuitive AI-powered controls that automate complicated multi-step tasks. This makes it appealing for photographers who want impressive results without deep technical knowledge. So the incorporation of AI in Luminar Neo makes it much easier to utilize it and come up with amazing outcomes in your photo editing job. But for Adobe Lightroom, it offers more traditional, comprehensive approach to photo editing with an emphasis on organizational and consistent workflow. If you are continuing editing with your phone, you can come and proceed with your desktop or even in the website. So your projects will sync automatically, making it ideal for photographers who work across multiple devices. So if you want a consistent workflow, then you can consider Adobe Lightroom. But for quick and easy editing, Luminar Neo stands out. Now let's consider budget constraint. So subscription fatigue. If you dislike ongoing subscription payment, that is monthly, yearly, Luminar Neo lifetime license that is going for $79 at 75% discount, then that is the best consideration for you, especially during this time where they are offering a discount. And now, when it comes to ecosystem integration for photographers or who have already invested in the Adobe ecosystem, the photographer or the photography plan may offer better value despite the higher long-term cost. So you should consider that. Let's now go into specialized editing needs and let's see portrait photographers. So Luminar Neo offers specialized portrait enhancements tool that can detect different visual features and let you work directly with them. So these include skin refinement, eyes enhancement, and visual slimming. So if you want to slim the body in your photos, then Luminar Neo offer that capability. Now let's go into landscape photographers. Both platforms offer strong landscape editing capabilities, but Luminar Neo Sky AI with Sunrise AI provide unique creative possibilities for landscape transformation. So AI now is a game changer here. Now, in terms of professionalism versus hobbyist, professional photographers may benefit more from Lightroom's organization tools and industry standard status, while hobbyists might prefer Luminar Neo to be more approachable because it's easier to use. So for professionalism and for you to uphold the industry standards, then you should consider Lightroom. Now, in terms of learning curve, Luminar Neo emphasizes user-friendly interface with its incorporation of AI, which makes complex edits more accessible. But for Luminar Neo, it requires more technical understanding, so there is a long-term learning curve. So I hope you have been able to get the right information so far on which of these photo editing tool is good for you. Now, this is my final verdict. So Luminar Neo is ideal for photographers seeking powerful AI driven edits with minimal technical knowledge, and also users who prefer one-time purchase over subscription payment. Then you should go with Luminar Neo. And also creative editors who want dramatic transformation like sky replacement or portrait enhancement. And we also have photographers who already use Lightroom and Photoshop but want to specialize in AI tools as a plugin. So if you want to specialize on AI, then Luminar Neo is the best. So Adobe Lightroom is ideal for photographers who need seamless editing across multiple devices, from mobile to laptop to web editing. Also, Luminar Neo is good for users who require robust photo organization and cataloging of your work. Now, also professional working in environment where Adobe capabilities is expected. So, because Adobe Lightroom is more professional and also it has been in the game for long, so you should consider that if your organization expects you to use it. Now, photographers who want an integrated ecosystem with Photoshop. So if you want to use Photoshop, then Lightroom is the best consideration. And lastly, those who value cloud storage and accessibility of their entire photo library. So all this information is what you should consider between choosing Luminar Neo and Adobe Lightroom. Hope you have learned something, and you can check out the link in description for 75% discount for the lifetime access of Luminar Neo. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel for more information in terms of reviewing softwares and tools for content creation.